In the red car.
So here's our 1969 MGB, all done, out in the sun. It's smiling, it's real happy. We got a beautiful tartan red on it. Got some nice accents as well. A beautiful little mirror here on the fender and some chrome on the hood.
The knockoffs make the whole car.
Some beautiful wheels on it.
Well, that's why with the chrome knockoffs.
It was a real labor of love.
The spoiler.
6 weeks.
The bar, I was like, you know what, I'm going to keep the side.
We got her back again.
Rip off. It was just maybe a little too much.
It looks great.
Although, you know, some people say there's never no such thing as too much chrome.
Our customer is really happy as well. He's going to go now and he's going to put a new interior in it. He's getting a new windshield. And he just can't wait to go for a cruise. Brian, we're all happy?
Excellent. Awesome.
Okay. So that's what it is, folks. All done, ready to go. We're out of another project. And check us out on our next one. Who knows what's going to roll in the door.